People, we're at a dam. We are fishing this dam. A front came through yesterday. I've already caught like 3 fish and a turtle. I'll try to put the pictures up. But it's so windy and the water is so loud, I didn't know how the audio was going to be. And we're going to keep giving it a try, even though it's windy as heck, cold. I think the temperature right now is 51 degrees. And it feels colder than that, let me tell you, because this wind is cutting my fingers off. But we're fishing from the bank, which we haven't done too much at all in Delaware. But y'all know how I love fishing dams, so once I find one, I will fish it. So let's get it. Y'all with me, sunny people. Fish play hard to get sometimes. I'm fishing with my St. Croix 6'9" panfish series, 6'9" fast action. Oh, that was a bite. Fast action, excuse me, ultralight power fast action, that's what I meant to say. With my old school fluke, it's not old school, but my Fluger XT President reel. Uh-oh, there it is. That was cool. XT Fluger President reel. That's gonna be the one right there, sunny people. It might be a bit heavy or a bit short for this jig, but gotta try. Straight down the middle. So maybe if I off of it. Definitely gonna bring Rose over here. Look at that. That's a nice crappie. I knew they were just right there. That's a white bass. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a white perch. Never caught one of those. Or at least not like that. New species, sunny people. White perch. This thing is loaded. Okay. This is crazy. That's a monster. Wow. That's not a monster, but it's the biggest one that I've ever caught. It's crazy. Another one. Oh. That's another big old chunky white perch. Chunky white perch. Isn't that crazy? That's pretty cool. Go, I mean, thick. You chickens not missing no meals. You ain't gotta eat that. Woo. Oh, they caught one. All right. I guess they running. Yeah, see? I'm gonna get some of these crappie that are dancing over there. It's just gonna be difficult. Go over, let it fall, hook them up, hook them up, hook them up. See, as soon as I saw that little puppy do all that, look at that. Look at that big old crappie. Golly. Wow. Crappie in the trees. Sunny people. Not a huge one. Don't get it twisted. It's not huge. He's full. That's for doggone sure. But look at that. Yeah. Yeah, big old crappie. Oh, dang it. There we go. He is a little bit over 11. Y'all have to excuse me. He's kind of camera shy. We're gonna let him go. Whew. But a little bit over 11 and a half, sunny people. Yeah. Oh man, that was cool. Just flipped it over that tree. Just brought it back. Boom. Yanked it. There it is. White perch. White perch. Nice sticky one. Come on, baby. You like that, huh? Oh, you like that, huh? Not too bad. Thank you, baby. Little white perch. Little bitty white perch. Calm down. All right, bye. Oh, there he is. A perch. No wonder I wasn't hooking them up, sunny people. Those old little old perch. I think that's gonna end it for us, sunny people, because it's cold, baby. No doubts, it is chilly. Thank you, baby. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. It's cold as ice. You know, it's springtime, which is transition time. Transition time. So, we have to, you know, switch it up. Transition time means that you might not necessarily know where the fish are going to be from day to day, to week, to hour to hour. But if places like dams and rivers are more predictable, because there's but so many places that they're gonna be. So, especially when you're on the bank, if you can fish a dam, fish a dam. You may not be able to catch a ton of fish, But more likely than not, you will be able to up your chances to catch a fish. And more likely than not, it'll be fairly decent ones, even if you're out there for an hour or two. You don't have to be a genius to be able to figure out where they're going to be at a dam or a big riffle or something like that. You can learn your craft a little bit better, a little bit easier. Also, you can learn more about your water, especially if you're only there for, you know, if you're just visiting, up your odds of catching. Instead of fishing a big lake or a small lake or a big river system, find a dam, fish a dam. At least that's been my experience. But yeah, sunny people, we had a nice little outing. Y'all be safe, y'all be well. We'll catch y'all on the flip. First day of April. Y'all be nice to each other. Stay sunny. Sunny T out.